Okay, so the husband just made marinated steak tacos with charred pineapple and lime crema. It looks interesting. This is something I think we're going to enjoy a lot. It looks a lot fuller in the picture, but we're ready to try it. Okay, so I'm halfway done eating my meal. Husband like hoovered his like crazy because that's what he does. But I actually really liked it. The pineapple, you can't really taste that it's pineapple. You just taste something crunchy. And then the onions are super soft. Graham, what do you rate this?
Maybe a C+.
I liked it, but I wish there was a little bit more to it, like a little bit more of stuff, I guess. But other than that, I like it. I would eat this again. Husband would probably eat it again, but just add a lot more other items. So, on to the next meal. Okay, so the next meal that my husband made, he wanted to make sure I let everybody know that he made this, is the one-pan mushroom ravioli gratin with crispy Parmesan crust. It smells like we burnt the house right now, and he said he wasn't sure about this, so, I mean, it doesn't look anything like what the picture looks like, but we're going to try it, and we'll let you guys know how this meal tastes. Okay, so I started eating my food. It's pretty good. I don't hoover my food like my husband. I mean, we've only been eating for like not even 7 minutes. He's done. I've only eaten like literally 4 bites, but he wasn't sure about it. What do you think of it now?
Okay, so it didn't look good, but it tasted pretty good. I like the texture of the panko breadcrumbs and the Parmesan on top, and it had a good, well-rounded flavor. So I would probably give it a solid B.
I like it. There's nothing wrong with it. I just wish it was a little bit crispier instead of as soggy, but otherwise it's pretty good. Would we try this again?
Maybe. I'd maybe order
maybe
it.
Try a different way, but yeah, so on to the next meal. Okay, so the last and final meal that the husband made for me while I was just taking a nap is a cauliflower bacon mac and cheese. It doesn't look as much like it does on the picture, but I think it looks really good, so now we're going to try it. Okay, so I've actually had several bites of this already. I actually really enjoyed it. You could probably feed 4 people with this. You get a lot of it. But, I mean, I like the noodles. The noodles were cooked perfectly. Otherwise, when you eat the chunk of, like, cauliflower, it makes it taste really good. The bacon could be a little bit finer, but that's fine. I'm totally not complaining on how Graham cut it. But otherwise, it was really good. Graham already devoured his food. I did not. I'm a slow eater, plus I have other things that I'm doing while I'm eating. But Graham, what would you rate this?
I give it a B+. The portion size was awesome. I wish the sauce had a little bit more flavor, but otherwise, good solid meal.
I'm going to probably give this an A. I really like it. I love macaroni and cheese. I'm really trying to eat more cauliflower, but I really enjoyed this. I would make this again, but yeah. Okay, sorry my camera died, but if you guys are interested in HelloFresh, I do have a link below where you guys can join it. You get $40 off your first box, which you guys would pay $20 for 3 meals that we just showed you. Highly recommend it, and just try it to cancel, just to say you try it. One thing I do with all these cards is I keep them in a book, and then we save the recipes so we can make these meals again in the future. So again, thank you guys for watching, and on to the next box.